Hi, this is Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to build a mason bee house for under $10. That's right, you don't need any special tools or a workshop. You can make one just like I had, just by buying one 6-foot piece of lumber for under $10. But first, why would you make a mason bee house? Because mason bees are excellent pollinators and they're not aggressive. Mason bees have been compared to honeybees. They say mason bees have a 95% pollination rate to the flowers they visit, whereas honeybees have about a 5% pollination rate. Mason bees are not aggressive because they are a solitary bee. Each individual female is the queen and the worker all in one. That one bee must find a suitable nesting place, lay the egg, provide the food for the egg, and then seal that up with mud. So I've got everything here that you're going to need to build a mason bee house. I've got my 1 by 6 by 6 foot untreated piece of wood, my drill, my saw to cut my wood. I've got some outdoor deck screws here. I got about 18. My drill bit, my tape measure. This is what I'm going to make right here. And when I'm all done, I'll put these reeds in. You can use reeds or you can use these paper tubes that I made just with simple paper, rolling it down on a pencil. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, to start off I've got 3 9-inch cuts I want to make for the sides and the top of my mason bee house. I've got a few more cuts to make. The top of my house will be about 1 inch longer than the sides, and the roof above that will be 10.5. And then I'll finish my last cut when we get this thing all assembled. Okay, when you're done with all your sawing, you want to take the bottom and the 2 sides and drill some starter holes. Okay, once you got those starter holes in, you can assemble the sides with the bottom. There's our 2 sides together with our bottom. Turn it over for our top. Front is going to be on that side, so I'm going to have the top assembled, and it's just going to be a little overhang to protect it from the weather. Get our pilot holes started. Okay, now we can attach the top of our mason bee house. Okay, so there we have it with our overhang for the top, and now we just need to place our roof on there. That's gonna go like this here on the top. This will be flush to the back. It'll hang over the front. As you can see it hanging over. Okay, here we go with our final 2 screws for this roof. Now we've got our mason bee house, and we just got to cut the back. Okay, I'm going to line up my back, and let's see here. Line up my back so my top's flush. My screws ready. Alright, so there you have it. This is a house that I built for under $10. Just to let you know, the bottom here I like to drill a couple holes and use a long zip tie in case I want to attach it to a pole or a fence. You're more than welcome to put a mounting bracket on the back if you want to attach it to your house under an overhang.